Hi, I'm Dom, a Senior Account Executive at Terminal49. This week, we've released 4 API upgrades: the Container Routing API, an Embedded Map, a Unified Container Events API, and expanded Webhook notifications. Let's dive in. The new Routing API gives you full journey of a shipment: port of loading, transshipment, stops, and port of discharge, plus vessel arrival and departure times. Using the Routing API, you can build a map like this, showing past and future vessel positions for the entire route. If you'd rather not build your own map, drop in our Embeddable Map. It takes just a few minutes to install and works in any web page, your customer portal, and internal dashboard, wherever you need it. Developers asked for the timeline we show in the dashboard. The Container Events API returns that same unified feed. Events from shipping lines, terminals, vessels, AIS, and rail already deduplicated and ordered, ready to be used in your system. Prefer pushover polling? Our webhooks now cover new milestones: container discharge, available for pickup, last free day, line and customs holds, fees, and more. We send a payload the moment something changes, so your system stays current without any extra reconciliation. Routing, API, embedded map, unified events, and richer webhooks. Everything you see in the dashboard is now available in your own tools. Check the docs, start building, and let us know what you ship next. Thanks for watching.